This feature introduces a new consolidated policy mode. In this mode, IPv4 and IPv6 policies are combined into a single consolidated policy. This means that a single policy can be defined that includes both IPv6 and IPv4 instead of defining separate policies. Before demonstrating the consolidated policy feature, please note the following. Enabling consolidated policy mode will delete all existing IPv4 and IPv6 policies. Also, the following features are not currently supported by the consolidated policy mode. Right now we are logged into the FortiGate that uses default firewall policy. You can see separate menu entries for IPv4 and IPv6 here. We are going to enable the consolidated policy mode using command line interface. Once enabled, go back to the GUI and refresh the page. The IPv4 and IPv6 policy entries are replaced with the consolidated policy. The same is true for the virtual wire pair IPv4 and IPv6 policies. Next, we are going to create a new consolidated policy. Select the incoming and outgoing interfaces. For the source and destination addresses, we need to select both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. If IP pool is enabled, we need to select both IP pool 4 and IP pool 6. Now the policy is ready. The GUI will show a single policy table in consolidated policy mode. The traffic logs will show consolidated policy type to reflect this new policy. And this concludes our feature overview. Thank you for watching, and for more technical videos, visit video.fortinet.com.